Day 5. It's a long day of paddling yesterday, 29 miles or thereabouts. And just as long or longer today. I'd be lying if I said I didn't feel it. I feel it, but, I think I'll be okay. So, got up this morning, just about the first sight I saw was an eagle carrying a fish, so that was cool. Time to make breakfast. A lot to do today, probably over 31 miles to cover. Leaving Hornbeck Campsite behind and ready to hit some rapids. Deer. I think I saw a fawn earlier. You didn't want to stick around? I just 2 minutes ago had another close encounter with a previous one. Oh, hello. Juvenile, a previous deer, and I was already close, and then the deer came down to the shore, so it's a little different maybe than the situation where I'm coming up to the deer. But that one I was really close. I would have started my camera, but makes a beeping noise when it starts up. I knew that the deer would run if I did that. Getting a little windy and gray, like a storm's blowing in. Keep my fingers crossed. Yeah, this is... And meanwhile, we are up to 17 eagles spotted so far today, and it's not even noon yet. At one time there was a plan underway to dam up the Delaware, and the dam was supposed to be at Tox Island, right there, so give or take in this area, and the government bought up a whole bunch of land to make that happen, but then there was a huge public outcry, the whole thing fell through, and so the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area is basically the result of that. The government already owned the land, and so they made it into a recreation area under the auspices of the National Park Service. I'm taking a back channel around an island because get a little less wind in these small channels. This is Depew Island, which is kind of funny because I passed Depew Island 6 miles ago. The first one was D-E-P-E-W, and this one is D-E-P-U-E. Not sure there's a difference in pronunciation. Fancy schmancy. That's the Shawnee Inn. And we have Shawnee Island right ahead of us here. This is Route 80 up here. It is also where the Appalachian Trail crosses the Delaware River. We are on the final approach to the Delaware water gap, where it's believed that the Delaware River cut a mountain in two. Now we're moving. I like moving. So I am exiting the Delaware Water Gap National Recreation Area and off into the great unknown where I have not been before. Heading on to my campground for tonight, which is Driftstone Campground. So it's been about 32 miles today. Long day. And you know, combined today and yesterday, a little over 60 miles. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling it. Fortunately, tomorrow I have shorter mileage. I've had my dinner. Time for ice cream. I like Driftstone Campground. They have a nice store. They have really big bathhouse, free showers. Very nice. Got a fair amount of stuff in the store. Some, you know, food basics, good selection of ice cream, that sort of thing, and other essentials. Almost all RVs here. In fact, RVs are all I've seen. So, you know, I'm the guy who's roughing it. You know, and I showed up in wet, dirty clothes. Now I have dry, dirty clothes on, so much better.